Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website you can um, get more exposure, outrun competition, and of course get more patients. So first things first, I have your website pulled out here, and the first thing that I have to suggest is to add more content, and not just images, but more wording. This is very important because if you add more content, written content, it can help absolutely to increase the chances for you to be found on Google if you include the correct keywords. And they have to be placed in specific areas of the website. I see that you are underlining some of them, but I don't think it's helping you that much. And I'll show you in a few seconds. But homepage definitely will need more content, and of course the sub pages over here, same thing. Not as much as the homepage, but a quarter of whatever the total content of the homepage they should have each one of these sub pages. So if we look at the back end of your website, you can see that you've been found for only 193 keywords. This is bringing you around 37 visits a month to your website. And you have around 435 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are all those sites that are mentioned in your website and can give you power so you can be found on Google. And this will help increasing your rating here and here. So keep in mind that not all links are created equal. So you can have hundreds and thousands of backlinks, but if they're not relevant, if they're not powerful enough, and most important, if they're not targeting the keywords that you need to be found for, this can be completely useless. So let's take a look at the keywords that we're being found for really quick. And for example, this one, dentist, Jersey City, NJ. There's an average of 200 searches a month, and you are actually on the second page of this. For this specific keyword, just climbed 20 spots since the last month, and it's bringing you around one visit from these 200. So something to consider. It seems that you have some help with the marketing over here, but then again, all these over here, Jersey City dentist, 200 searches. You're on the third page um, for this uh, for this keyword, and you are getting traffic there. So you can take advantage of all this volume and actually start targeting these keywords. Dentist office, Jersey City, India, 30 searches a month, and you're on the third page as well. So something to consider. It seems that some work is being done, but not as much. And you can see here, for example, we do a research for dentist, Jersey City, India. And the first thing you see is your traditional Google Ads. This is where you pay every time somebody clicks on your ad. Then you have the maps section, and this is something you want to be, especially for your local city, your local area. This is something you definitely want to be at because 67% of the people that do a research they don't even pass the top three in the organic results. Same thing here, the top three. So that means that they don't go all the way down and never into the second or third page. So definitely something to consider because you can be missing a lot of potential new patients right here. And just with this keyword, we haven't even seen um, what dentists in New Jersey as a whole, the volume could be. So for the purpose of the video, I want to pull out this Marilyn Medina main competition and Jersey City Dental, of course. Um, Even though they don't seem to have that much of a content, they're probably targeting the correct keywords with the content, with the backends that they're working on. Because if we see the backend of their website, they're being found for over 882 keywords. That's bringing around 914 visits to the website a month, and they have 585 backlinks. And you can see that these numbers are pretty low, so these things are not quite powerful for this amount of backlinks. But again, they might be targeting the correct keywords that you might be missing. Let's take a look here. See, for a matter of backlinks, not really too much of a difference between you, but they have more keywords being found for. Let's take a look at the keywords that are being found for really quick. And yeah, there it is, Jersey City. There's a volume of 500 searches a month, and they're ranking number one. Then take Jersey City, Pluto, 350 searches, they're ranking number one. Jersey City Dental, so all these volumes, they're taking huge advantage of them. You can see from these 500, 122 are actually going straight to their website, and these 300 over here, 62 are going to their website. Jersey City Dental Center, 50 searches, but again, 16 going to the ranking number one for this. So that means that we're having a really strong marketing campaign, regardless of the quality of the links. So I don't want to take too much of the time. If you think we can help you out, we're more than happy to assist you. Or even if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Our information will be attached to the email, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.